Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a part 2 to Halloween embellishment ideas. As you guys know, I love to craft during Halloween, October, September. I absolutely love it. It is my most craftiest months of the year. I don't know why. I just get super inspired. And I see that you guys have been enjoying my very first video, the part 1 to this series. But I have made a couple of more things and I wanted to share them with you guys. So the first thing I want to show you guys is using the new Koko and Reno dies. As you guys know, I designed for them, and this month's dies are Halloween dies, you guys, and you get so many cool dies. I'm going to show you guys a quick of what you get. So you get a little spider, you get the little ghosty, the little happy Halloween on the spider web. Oops. You get the word Halloween. You would have to just cut out the L twice. You get that little banner piece, this little banner piece, the skull head, kind of like a frame, a spooky frame. You get a bat, another little banner piece with the skull head, and then a plain banner piece. You guys, all these dies is what you get in your subscription. If you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, but their dies are amazing. They cut beautifully. So let me show you guys what I chose to make. I'm gonna put that right here. I of course made some cards. You guys know I am a huge card maker for any season, so I had to make some Halloween ones. I made this one. We're gonna take it out of the plastic so you guys can really see it. I zoomed you guys in so that you can see much better what I'm showing you. So this is the card. I used plain black cardstock for the card itself. And then what I did was I used the Hey Pumpkin collection from Crepe Paper, and I just stitched on a piece of paper to back it, kind of give the card more sturdiness. I used one of these little bakery doilies that I have, and I stitched around it to give it a little something extra. I used some of the bats from the die set. I did some enamel dots. Well, not enamel dots, kind of like gems, and then this is an enamel dot. And then I used a little happy Halloween with the spider web and placed that right in the middle. And look, you guys, there's no sticky bits or nothing because I used my sticker machine, and it looks so good. I am so happy with the way this card turned out. So that is the first one that I made. The second one that I made is this one, which is definitely my favorite. Let me take it out of the plastic because then you guys can see a glare. So here is the second card, and the second card is also a black cardstock. I backed it with this piece of paper that has kind of like black polka dots, and it says like, I think it says boo to you, but you can't really see it because it's kind of holographic. But I used a bunch of the little spiders from the die set. I put little googly eyes on like 3 of the spiders just to give it a little ooh, like a cringy look. I stitched together a bunch of those little banners, and I put the word eek, and I think this one turned out so cute. Enamel dots, gemstones. I also used the little ghosties, which are right here, and I don't know if you can catch it on the light, but I did use Winkastella on them. So there's a little bit of a glittery effect on them. I did some stitching with the neon orange, which I've been loving lately for my Halloween projects. And yeah, you guys, that is my second card. The next thing I want to show you guys are these page flag embellishments. I love to make these every season as well. So let me take them out of the plastic because everything I have it packaged up so it doesn't get ruined. But look at how cute these turned out. So we got little tassels, some gold paper clips. I did some stitching. There's tulle, cute little puffy stickers from the Hey Pumpkin collection. Little gemstones. Here's the second one. I love the way these turned out, you guys. I think they look super cute. Like always, let me know down below which embellishment is your favorite. I love when you guys let me know your opinions and what you like. Here's the second batch I made for them. I don't make too many, you guys, because I'm not in swaps or anything. So I make them just for you guys to give you ideas. How cute is this one? This one's a little bit bigger. And then there's this one. So fun. I love it the way it turned out. So these are my little page flag embellishments. Hopefully you guys can see them. There you go. And I think they turned out so cute. And then lastly, you guys, I am obsessed with the way these turned out. These are little mini pockets, and this is what they look like. So let me show you guys what the first one looks like. Everything is using the Hey Pumpkin collection. I've been wanting to use it, and I've been making a ton of stuff with it. So we have this little pocket right here, which is an SVG file from the Silhouette Design Studio. I'll have a link down below so you guys can check it out. It's not meant to be this tiny, but I love making tiny things. So of course I made it in a smaller version. I did the stitching with the orange neon thread. And then here we have tons of layering. So it is propped up to kind of give it that dimension. As you can see, I did kind of like that little accordion style to lift it up. We have some trim here, some stickers from the collection, as well as puffy stickers. I did some Winkostella on the candy corns. And then you guys, you can prop this little card out, and I just tucked in a little spider in there, kind of like give it like a little creepy effect. Super cute. So it completely comes out. It's a little pocket, as you can see the back. I kind of matted the whole thing. It's black on this side. And that's what it looks like. And it's super tiny. This is it in my hand. So you put the little pocket back in. You can choose to do spider. You can put like a little mini embellishment in there as well to give to a pen pal. You can label it. So that is the first pocket. The second pocket is this one, which is also propped up to make it a dimensional look. We did some pom-pom trim here with a pop of yellow, some layering, this cute little puffy sticker that I had in my stash, some gemstones, and then another spider inside as well. And I backed that one with that paper right there. You guys, I think these turned out so cute, and they feel so sturdy. So definitely check it out. I'm sure you can make these without an SVG file. They're super cute, but I did use the file. And yeah, you guys, that is this video of my embellishments, my Halloween embellishments ideas for part 2. So I might be doing another part. I might be doing some treat bags and maybe like a banner. So definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.